a Lennox unit running. It's on a low ambient kit right now. From 2003, and that's a 5-ton. I think that one right there is running too. That one's also on a low ambient kit too. It's got a Sentry fan motor. Yeah, that one's on a low ambient kit too. Oh, that one's on a low ambient kit too. So all three of these are running. It's from 1994, and I'm not sure the tonnage of it. I'd say this is probably like maybe around 4 tons. But yeah, nice units. Anyways, thanks for watching.